You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Come on these doors.
Yeah.
I know it's good and loud.
I ain't gonna have to take them cut on them anyway.
Yeah. Let me know what you're running here, man.
We have got crossfire mids, a few gale force mids, and resilient, a little bit of rogue in the back. 615-inch Dreamsicles. 3 crossfire 16Ks at half ohm, clamping 58K. Got 4 400 amp purifier alternators. And see if we can play some old school music here for him. Yes, I got everything on switches over here.
Oh, yeah, you do.
Front mids, back mids, alts.
Oh, so you ain't gotta have nothing going on, but one thing you want to do.
This. It'll take it a minute to get to the good stuff. Let's play some sunny type bass. Yep, not like it. Not that one. Now what do you notice?
Don't smell nothing.
Don't smell nothing. Now you'll smell something a little on this one.
That voltage is something impressive, man.
That's saying
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
It ain't hard to move it at all.
Yeah, I said, yeah, you
Now
play.
you gotta remember that 16 case at half home, 58,000.
That's what I said, I'll be drawing a lot of power.
Yeah.
Especially I have on.
Where's it at?
What battery you got? C-Max?
C-Max. The baseball one's on here somewhere.
There you go.
It's crazy loud. Find it. I don't know how fish is it. I ain't went through none of it. But I know that baseball one's nuts.
Not being me.
You can probably walk away from this thing and let it play,
You
can't you?
can. I know this one does pretty good, but I don't know if it'll do good in this. It plays a little bit of everything. And I pull a trailer and haul the kids. I wish I could find that baseball one. That's so much.
Wow. That's all right right there now.
This man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.